Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off vibrate when call ends for call alerts on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen, and on the home screen open up the phone app. Then tap on the option key. From the pop-up, tap on settings. In the call settings page, go down and tap on call alerts and ringtone. Then in here, tap on vibrate when call ends. So tap on it to switch it off or turn it on. If you turn this on when you end the call with the caller, your phone will vibrate to let you know that the call has ended. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the back key to go back to your phone app, or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.